darpa raddedigion a gwesteion, a wnewch chi sefyll ar gyfer yr yrymdaith academaidd os gwelwch yn dda. Graduands and guests, please be upstanding for the academic procession.
By the powers vested in me as Pro-Chancellor, I declare this congregation open for the awarding of degrees and diplomas of the University of South Wales. And I would now like to invite Mark Milton to speak. Please be seated.
Pro-Chancellor, graduates, honoured guests, congregation. Yn oel gyfaithion croeso mawr I chi gyd. Today is an important day for many reasons. It is a chance to celebrate your achievements with your family and friends, to bring a symbolic close to your endeavour to achieve your qualifications, and for us as a university to welcome you into our community of graduates. We are always immensely proud to do that, and each year this is the day we look forward to the most. The last couple of years have been different, with our day-to-day routines and interactions turned on their heads. Our ability to be human to our fullest extent, to see each other and share the joys and challenges of our personal journeys has been stressed and tested. Throughout that time, we endeavoured to be a source of constancy when so much else was uncertain. We gave each other structure, classes to attend, even if they were taking place virtually, schedules and deadlines to meet, assignments to hand in and exams to take, achievement and heights to reach, a reason to keep going and move forwards. We were able to do this because our roots as a university are strong. We are strong in our purpose to prepare you for the world outside the walls of our campuses and to give you opportunity. And since the establishment of our founding institution in the 1860s here in Newport, to use education to help solve the scientific and social challenges of the day. With a constant purpose, this university has prospered through periods of significant social change, periods of global conflict, and now a global pandemic. And through that, we have added to the ability of our region, our nation, and our international community to remain resilient and prosper because of the talent that we produce and research that we undertake. And in our partnerships with a purpose to change our lives and the world for the better. Never more so has this been demonstrated than by our incredible nursing and midwifery students. Many of you here today completed your studies during times of great uncertainty, and by virtue of working with the public, placed yourselves knowingly at risk. In April 2020, at a time when little was known about COVID-19, you were called upon to support our local communities as NHS Wales and other health and care organisations struggled at times to cope with the challenges of the pandemic. I'm incredibly proud to say that over 600 students opted to work as key members of these organisations, working with people of all age groups across a range of care environments. You supported anxious mothers, often attending hospital on their own. You helped deliver newborns into the world. You supported vulnerable clients with complex needs. You held the hands of those who were dying and comforted the bereaved. Not only did you provide care and compassion to those in need, you also supported the teams and organisations you worked within, providing hope at difficult times. By doing so, you have maintained a rich heritage of USW alumni who have worked supporting their local communities in times of need. To all our new nursing and midwifery students, we, your community, thank you for your care, compassion and professionalism. And for you all here today, your story of university life has been different. It may not have always been what we collectively expected or even wished for. It certainly has been memorable. And you did it. You did it. You completed your awards in perhaps the most difficult circumstances experienced by many graduates for many years. And that's an amazing testament to your tenacity, your resilience, and your ability, but also of the support that you have received from those around you, your families, friends, and in many cases, your employers. Thank you for your hard work and your dedication. And it is those qualities and your qualifications that you are now taking into your own career and lives. You are making your own mark on the world like thousands of USW graduates who have come before you. Across the world, there are graduates of USW leading public services and businesses whilst becoming experts in their own professions. As I start this ceremony in this wonderful venue, I'd like you to remember three things. Today is your chance to celebrate your achievement. Your achievement is down to your hard work and tenacity, and we are all so incredibly proud of you. Now, a final footnote, shortly we'll be entering the phase where we clap all of our new graduates. So please, clap from the beginning, clap loud, clap every student from the first to the last. Da iawn chi, diolch yn fawr. Thank you very much.
Gadewch iddo fod yn hysbys i aelodau'r Brifysgol ac i bawb sydd yma'n bresennol y cynhelir cynulliad o Brifysgol De Cymru yn Ninas Casnewydd ar y 4 ar 15 o Orffennaf 2022. Heddiw, anrhydeddwn ysgolheigion sydd wedi profi drwy ei deallusrwydd a'i hymdrech ysgolheigaidd ei bod yn gymwys i gael ei derbyn ar gyfer graddau a chymwysterau'r Brifysgol. Drwy anrhydeddu ei cyrhaeddiad, gadewch i'r rheini sydd yma'n bresennol gydnabod ei hymrwymiad a dathlu ei llwyddiant. Buddsodwn ein gobeithiwn a'n disgwyliadau ynddynt, gan obeithio y byddant yn rhoi eu talent a'i disg ger bron eu proffesiwn a'n cymunedau. Hyderwn y byddant yn cyfrannu at ddyfodol ein cymdeithas gydag anrhydedd a chlod.
Let it be known by members of the University and all here present that a congregation of the University of South Wales is held in the city of Newport on the 19th day of July, 2022. Today, we honor scholars who have demonstrated through their intellect and scholarly effort that they are qualified to be admitted to the degrees and qualifications of the university. In honoring their achievement, let all here present recognize their dedication and celebrate their success. We invest in them our hope and expectation that they will put their talent and learning at the service of their professions and our communities. And we trust that they will contribute to the future of our society with honor and distinction.
Pro-Chancellor, I present to the congregation the Faculty of Life Sciences and Education candidates that have been awarded the Doctor of Philosophy. Jenny Burns, in recognition of a programme of work entitled The Experiences of Perinatal Non-Health Workers and Refugee Peer Leaders Delivering Wellbeing Interventions. The programme was carried out under the direction and supervision of Dr. Anne Fothergill and Professor Neil Frood, Faculty of Life Sciences and Education, in collaboration with the Aneurin Bevan University Health Board. Megan Elliott, in recognition of a programme of work entitled A Realist Exploration of Social Prescribing Evaluation. The programme was carried out under the direction and supervision of Professor Carolyn Wallace and Dr. Mark Davis, Faculty of Life Sciences and Education. The Master of Philosophy, Stephen Anthony Parker, in recognition of a programme of work entitled Textiles, Education and Stereotyping, What are the factors that influence pupil choice at GCSE? The programme was carried out under the direction and supervision of Professor Peter McCarthy and Dr. Susan Hayward, Faculty of Life Sciences and Education. The Bachelor of Science in Psychology with Criminology and Criminal Justice, Morgan Chaston Hudspeth. The Master of Arts in Child and Adolescent Mental Health, Catherine Ann Flanagan. The Master of Arts in Education, Innovation in Learning and Teaching, Emily Jane Baker. Kelly Bebb. Rachel Emma Price. Musamat Sahela Sultana. Melanie Venice. The Master of Arts in Education, Innovation in Learning and Teaching, UNICAF, Fahimda Ailek. The Master of Arts in Leadership and Management, Education, Alice Powell. The Master of Arts in Special Educational Needs and Additional Learning Needs, Danielle Hall. The Master of Arts in Working for Children and Young People, Youth Work Initial Qualifying, Guzail Hazar Al-Subai. Robin O'Brien. The Master of Science in Advanced Clinical Practitioner, Laura Bumstead. Damien Crowley. Bonnie Cummings. Amy Evans. Natasha Greenway. Jessica Griffiths. Kelly Hale. Rachel Hughes. Victoria Hughes. Emily James. Rachel Jones. Rebecca Jones. Rosalie Labiano. Rhian Lewis. Rebecca Mazur. Kerry Mealing. Christy Parfitt. Joanne Pope. Amy Prosser. Mohammed Noman Sheikh. Deborah Skinner. Catherine Stewart. David Thomas. Elena Williams. Hayley Williams. Claire Wood. Gary Woodcock. The Master of Science in Community Health Studies, Special Practitioner Children's Community Nursing, Francesca Schiavone. The Master of Science in Community Health Studies, Specialist Practitioner District Nursing, Amara Williams. The Master of Science in Professional Practice, Amanda Dickinson. Jamie Lee Francis. Lauren Hodges. Claire Jones. Joanne Plaster. Chantel Pope. Jayanthi Ravi. Leon Smith. The Master of Science in Public Health, Ayoade Adesanya. Chidiebere Favor Ajufo. Otajiro Clement Ali. Rashidat Mayowa Amusa. Nithu Gladys Binu. Viola Onyedikache Ede. Coleman Chinaza Ekweme. Elorho Christy Emmanuel. Luke Foxwell. Shashini Prathana Savindi Ida Malgoda Hene Kankanamalage. Taiwo Beloved Ige. Joseph Chukwufunaya Ikenwewe. Adeba Finbar Itobore. Utoan Ukpe Iwat. Laureen Chiedza Kahari. Anjali Maruthi Parambil Tom. Cecilia Nkoli Nadiri. Ebele Jane Nwokeleme Enyichukwu. Ogeneyovo Samuel Ogbinaka. Chinwe Ifeoma Okezi. Uchechukwu Joseph Okombo. Justice Ifeanyi Onuoha. Delini Dipalanka Perumunagama. Ellis Perryman. Elizabeth Smith. Abduliye Turai. Bid Ugochukwu Uzoegbo. Blaise Okechukwu Uzoegbo. Divya Varghese. Sri Lakshmi Vamula. The Master of Science in Public Health, UNICAF, Felicia Olufunke Ajayi. Rukayat Modupeola Anifowoshe. Esther Malachi Tsegbei. The Postgraduate Certificate in Child and Adolescent Mental Health, Carl Williams. The Postgraduate Certificate in Education for Healthcare Professionals, Emily Farnham. Simon Morgan. Rebecca Phillips. The Postgraduate Certificate in Education in Post-Compulsory Education and Training, Jane Ludlow. The Postgraduate Certificate in Learning and Teaching in Higher Education, Samira Aster Bharti. Gordon Blake. Thomas Cole. Elaine Haig. Rebecca Prout. Laura Roberts. Nicola Robinson. The Postgraduate Certificate in Palliative Care, Natalie Bloodworth. Liz Gurney. Bethan John. Kian Roberts. Uma Vadivel. The Postgraduate Certificate in Special Educational Needs and Additional Learning Needs, Samantha Moody. The Postgraduate Certificate in Special Educational Needs and Additional Learning Needs, Autism, Laura Thomas. The Bachelor of Arts in Education, Ahmed Abdul Rahman. Khadija Ali. Lauren Cottrell. Natalie Davis. Callista Amy Dowling. Chloe Ellis. Elizabeth Jones. Stacey Mulgrew Vaughan. Griffin Payne. Alice Powell. Catherine Powell. Amy Price. Abigail Williams. Freya Ellen Wisniewski. The Bachelor of Arts in Education, Learning and Development, Cardiff and Vale College, Barry. Chelsea Bricknell. Hannah Grindle. Leah Moore. Chelsea Parkhouse Kingsbury. Philippa Tanetta. The Bachelor of Arts in Education, Learning and Development, Coleg y Cymoedd Ystrad Mynach. Jessica Ann Evans. David Rhys Martin. Lois June Elizabeth Mormon. The Bachelor of Arts in Working with Children and Families, Louise Hannah Armstead. Ellie Bowen. Tia Cross. Charlotte Samantha Accourt Dodge. Ellen Freestone. Erin Holloway. Amber Merriman. Kelsey Mudford. Megan Notley. Lucy Kate O'Hanlon. Imogen Skeggs. Molly Kerris Vivian Stone. Donna Sullivan. Abby Jade Williams. India Williams Nash. Owen Woodward. The Bachelor of Arts in Youth and Community Work, Callum Adams. Madison J. Clark. Holly Cook. Chantel Davis. Bronwen Fowler. Victoria Gordon. Kate Porter. Tanisha Louise Thomas. Bethany Turville. The Bachelor of Arts with Early Years Practitioner status in Early Years Education and Practice, Imogen Arundel. Holly Bennett. Victoria Evans. Mehak Fatima. Shannon Lee Griffiths Langdon. Amy Hurst. Danielle Leader. Niamh McGuinness. Amy Orr. Caitlin Jane Price. Charlotte Robinson. Hannah Rowlands. Jordan Skirman. Charlie Smith. Josh Wall. Samantha White. The Bachelor of Arts with Qualified Teacher status in Primary Studies, Jasmine Crockett. Kate Wegner. The Bachelor of Midwifery, Kate Victoria Anderson. Kate Louise Burgess.
Fe wnawn ni nawr glywed datganiad cerddorol gan fyfyrwyr o Goleg Brenhinol Cerdd a Drama Cymru. We now hear a musical interlude by students from the Royal Welsh College of Music and Drama. Our National Conservatoire is part of the wider University of South Wales family. These talented performers will graduate with Bachelor and Master of Music degrees of the University of South Wales. And we congratulate them most warmly. Llongyfarchiadau. Yn perfformio ar ein cyfer ni heddiw mae, performing for us today are the Isabel Harris Quintet. a byddant yn chwarae, and they will play Fest Fanfare and an ABBA medley. Raddedigion, gwesteion, graduands, honoured guests, congregation, please give a warm welcome to the Isabel Harris Quintet.
the Bachelor of Nursing, Adult Nursing, Sadia Abian. Rania Alias. Jenna Bates. Jack Bridger. Devon Natalia Berman. Kaylee Butt. Laura Jane Champion. Hannah Marie Cleverly. Caitlin Crowley. Rebecca Davis. Sarah Davis. Olivia Donaldson. Lucy Heidi Dyer. Jodie Louise Evans. Kate Louise Evans. Leonie Evans. Ruby Elizabeth Evans. Nisha Evans-Derrick. Caroline Fairley. Sarah Ann Ferris. Katie Louise Gadsden. Natalie Green. Shelley Haynes. Emma Elizabeth Hanney. Laurie Beth Harris. Sophie Harris. Catherine Louise Hawker. Kate Hitchcock. Rachel Anna Huxtable. Chloe Jenkins. Priyan Elizabeth John. Paige Mears. Karen J. Morgan. Rebecca Nunn. Jennifer Obehi Opafwoso. Emma Parker. Chris Perry. Lucy Ann Rees. Shanae Rees. Chanel Reynolds Jeremiah. Kylie Robertson. Megan Saunders. Jade Shannon. Kerry Smith. Fiona Smith. Tasha Elizabeth Smith. Ruby Suarez Sampilo. Brooke Taylor. Hannah Thomas. Bethan Todd. Keridwen Waits. Marie Walkley. Rebecca Walters. Elaine Wigfield. Elizabeth Williams. Zoe Williams. The Bachelor of Nursing Child Health, Taylor Burnell. Emma Elizabeth Hopkins. Pauline Jane Thomas. The Bachelor of Nursing Learning Disabilities, Carly Louise Hodges. The Bachelor of Nursing Mental Health, Samantha Lauren Anstis. Jackson Bickel. Shona Campbell. Lucia Chirotto. Laura Davis. Rebecca Ellsworth. Amy Evans. Lauren Evans. Rhiannon Henson. Dale Jones. Danielle Christie Martin. Emily Matthews. Samantha Morgan. Luke Henry Moses Cook. Stella Muchekwa. Jade Murray. Sonia Pierleone. Hannah Stowe. Nadia Rachel Taylor. John Thomas. Ashton Walker. Angharad Williams. The Bachelor of Science in Acute and Critical Care, Gemma Adamson. Jennifer Fraser. William Palmer. James Ralph. Fionn Rees. Diana Joanne Thomas. Melissa Tobias. The Bachelor of Science in Community Health Studies, Specialist Practitioner, District Nursing, Julian Grumbridge. The Bachelor of Science in Community Health Studies, Specialist Practitioner, General Practice Nursing, Jessica Rees. The Bachelor of Science in Professional Practice, Healthcare Studies, Sarah Drew. Catherine McKee. Louisa Smith. Caroline Thomas. The Bachelor of Science in Professional Practice, Violence Reduction, Tracy Winter. The Bachelor of Science in Social Work, Joanne Beek. Emma Chapili. Danielle Davis. Jordan Louise Davis. Laura Davis. Levi Davis. Renee Hannah Davis. Brianna Davis. Louise Michelle Ellis. Mia Evans. Laura Forsey. Naomi Laurette Frere. Amy Louise Gardner. Sarah Gibbons. Lisa Jane McLeish. Jade Elizabeth Morgan. Barbara Morris Brown. Kerry-Ann Probert. James Simonson. Nicola Sweet. Kimberly Taylor. Joanne Thomas. Kirsty Thomas. Rachel Ward. Gemma Williams. Julie Ann Wilson. The Bachelor of Science with Qualified Teacher Status in Secondary Mathematics with Information Communications Technology, Paul Williams Burnett. The Bachelor of Science with Qualified Teacher Status in Secondary Mathematics with Science, Jan Brogan. The Bachelor of Science with Qualified Teacher Status in Secondary Science with Mathematics, Robert Smith. The Foundation Degree in Arts in Education, Learning and Development, Cardiff and Vale College, Barry, Jodie Emmett Herbert. Leah Hall. Hayley Pierce. Jenna Williams. The Foundation Degree in Arts in Education, Learning and Development, Coleg y Cymoedd Ystrad Mynach, Hannah Derrick. Jamie Louise Millard. The Foundation Degree in Arts in Education, Learning and Development, Gower College, Swansea, Laura Jane Buller. Cerys Burridge. Laura Amy Kelly. Caroline Jane Morgan. Amy Williams Ridings. The Professional Graduate Certificate in Education, Thomas William Beard. The Professional Graduate Certificate in Education in Post-Compulsory Education and Training, Sarah Ayub. The Professional Graduate Certificate in Education in Post-Compulsory Education and Training, Cardiff and Vale College, Cardiff, Mariam Islambeik Iraqi. Mohammed Younas. The Professional Graduate Certificate in Education in Post-Compulsory Education and Training, Coleg Gwent, Ebbw Vale, Lucy Barnsley. Denise Bishop. Karen Campbell. Stacey Godwin. Obiajulu Iweka. Kelly Wagstaff. Hannah Williams. The Professional Graduate Certificate in Education in Post-Compulsory Education and Training, Coleg y Cymoedd Aberdare, Sapphire Ashley Lewis. Caroline Mary Locke. Melanie Morgan. The Professional Graduate Certificate in Education in Post-Compulsory Education and Training, Coleg y Cymoedd Nantgarw, James Nicholas Allen. Sebastian Gardner. Laura Mika Hitchings. Diana Hughes. Abigail Louise Rees. The Professional Graduate Certificate in Education in Post-Compulsory Education and Training, Coleg y Cymoedd Ystrad Mynach, Lloyd Newman. Sarah Jane Roberts. Jade Sarah Wharton. The Professional Graduate Certificate in Education in Post-Compulsory Education and Training, Gower College, Swansea, Andrew Charles Selby. The Professional Graduate Certificate in Education in Post-Compulsory Education and Training, Merthyr Tydfil College, Brandon Jones. Sarah Lloyd. Leanne Olga Price. Debbie Richards. The Professional Certificate in Education in Post-Compulsory Education and Training, Cardiff and Vale College, Barry, Gethin Bibbs. Claudia Boscher. The Professional Certificate in Education in Post-Compulsory Education and Training, Cardiff and Vale College, Cardiff, Rachel Short. Paul Wallace. Lee Whitaker. The Professional Certificate in Education in Post-Compulsory Education and Training, Coleg Gwent Ebbw Vale, Sarah Blackford. David Clegg. Daniel Andrew Jevons. Reagan Mrook. The Professional Certificate in Education in Post-Compulsory Education and Training, Coleg y Cymoedd Aberdare, Claire Louise Price. Daniel Prosser. Lucy Scatcher. Joanne K. Watson. The Professional Certificate in Education in Post-Compulsory Education and Training, Coleg y Cymoedd, Nantgarw, Paul Mark Bailey. Nikita Lewis. Richard James Shelton. Fionn Elizabeth Walters. Georgia Sandra Whiffen. The Professional Certificate in Education in Post-Compulsory Education and Training, Coleg y Cymoedd, Ystrad Mynach, Peter Craig Berglin. Rebecca Kirsty Bills. Nikita Jade Cloutier. Jodie Hill. Neil David Meredith. Julie Ann Phillips. Richard Mark Sellers. The Professional Certificate in Education in Post-Compulsory Education and Training, Gower College, Swansea, James Alexander Jones. The Professional Certificate in Education in Post-Compulsory Education and Training, Merthyr Tydfil College, Courtney Booth. Ricky Bridges. Matthew Jones. Hannah Taylor. The Master of Arts in Education, Innovation in Learning and Teaching, UNICAF, Thamer Cherny. The Postgraduate Certificate in Special Educational Needs and Additional Learning Needs, Sadie Norton. The Master of Arts in Education, Innovation in Learning and Teaching, Nikki Welsher. The Foundation Degree in Arts in Education, Learning and Development, Coleg y Cymoedd, Ystrad Mynach, Sarah Difford. The Professional Graduate Certificate in Education, Beverly Hopkins. The Foundation Degree in Arts in Education, Learning and Development, Gower College, Swansea, Chloe Stebbings. The Bachelor of Science in Community Health Studies, Specialist Practitioner Community Children's Nursing, Dawn Martin. The Bachelor of Arts with Early Years Practitioner status in Early Years Education and Practice, Grace Blakesley. The Bachelor of Nursing, Adult Nursing, Laurie Morgan. The Bachelor of Arts in Youth and Community Work, Daniel Chapman. The Bachelor of Nursing, Adult Nursing, Laurie Louise Phillips. The Master of Arts in Education, Innovation in Learning and Teaching, Lisa Robinson. The Master of Science in Public Health, Adeleke Temilade. The Bachelor of Nursing, Adult Nursing, Emma Louise Walters. The Master of Science in Public Health, UNICAF, Onoshoke Emorezu Abiola. The Master of Science in Public Health, UNICAF, Chinonyelu Jenny Orji. The Bachelor of Nursing, Adult Nursing, Priyan Hunt. The Master of Science in Public Health, Gloria Oiza Otori. Pro-Chancellor, that concludes the awards for the Faculty of Life Sciences and Education.
Congregation, colleagues, friends, guests, and most importantly, graduates. Graduation is always an occasion for very formal academic ceremony. But more significantly, perhaps, for all of you in the audience, it is a moment of great pride. Indeed, for parents, partners, and friends here today, it is also a moment of great emotion. Especially today, after you have all had such a long wait for this day because of the global pandemic. Everyone on this stage shares your pride in our new graduate success. I would also like to take a moment to recognise that our graduates did not achieve this success entirely alone. Sitting in the audience today are the people who they relied upon implicitly for support, encouragement and understanding as they tackled the challenges of their degree in what can only be described as unprecedented times. So I'm sure you will agree with me when I say they deserve a warm round of applause. For each and every one of us on stage today is the high point of the university year, and one we have greatly missed over the last couple of years. I want to pay tribute to the nearly 3,000 staff of this great university. They too have played their part, teaching, mentoring, feeding, supporting, counselling, encouraging, and occasionally chivying, I suspect. Bringing about student success is what my colleagues are all about. Therefore, I believe that they too deserve our acknowledgement of and appreciation for the part they played. However, primarily today is a celebration of you, our new graduates, and your achievements. We know from long experience that the higher education this university provides is highly valued by employers, and the university's success in fitting its students for the world of work is justifiably a source of gratification. However, we are equally proud of our impact in transforming individual lives through education, training, and knowledge. We strongly believe that USW nurtures citizens who, as they go out into the world, can and will play a constructive role in public life. You not only have the ability to think critically, to subject assertions to robust analysis, to explore difficult or contentious issues in an atmosphere of respect and positive expectation. That is a crucial skill in any walk of life. You also have amazing resilience and commitment to have studied and achieved throughout a global pandemic which altered our lives in so many ways. These are timeless values. They're fundamental to USW. We hope that they are now your values too, as scholars and graduates of our university. All of you, as alumni of the University of South Wales, are now ambassadors, both for the university itself and for what we strive to achieve. Well done, all of you, and our warmest best wishes go with you for your continued success. Thank you. I now declare this degree congregation of the University of South Wales closed. Please, can I now invite you all to stand for the national anthem.